Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy. Well, not me, but you get the idea. Listen, YouTube is huge, like people are buying islands with YouTube money, huge. We're talking thousands, millions, it's wild. But what if you're too shy to show your face on camera? Don't worry, I got you. We're talking animations, screen recordings, slideshows, stock footage, music, even curating content. We're covering it all. So if you're ready to become the next faceless YouTube sensation, smash that like button, subscribe, and let's get this money. First up, let's talk about voiceover and animation. This is huge for explainer videos, tutorials, anything where you're teaching something. Think about it. People love watching animated stories, right? Now imagine that, but you're the one telling the story and teaching something valuable at the same time. Here's the game plan. Find your passion. Tech, education, maybe you're a whiz at personal development. Whatever it is, make it yours. Now write a killer script. Once you've got your script, it's time to bring it to life with some epic animation. Platforms like Vyond, Animaker, and Powtoon are your new best friends. Just record your voice, sync it up with the animation, and boom, you're officially a faceless YouTube wizard. Alright, next up we've got screen recordings. This is perfect if you're a tech guru, a gaming pro, or just really good at explaining how things work. Seriously, people are dying for this kind of content. Just grab a screen recording tool like OBS Studio. It's free, or Camtasia, hit record and start teaching. Make sure you explain everything clearly and people will be hooked. Alright, this one might sound a little old school, but trust me, slideshows are still killer content on YouTube. We're talking about taking those boring old PowerPoint or Google Slides presentations and turning them into engaging, informative videos. So, why not create a slideshow that breaks down a topic into easy-to-digest chunks? Add some text, images, maybe even a few graphs and charts to keep things interesting, and boom, you've got yourself a winner. Record your voiceover explaining each slide in detail, and you've got a super professional-looking video without ever having to show your face. Okay, so maybe you're not a fan of animation, screen recordings, or slideshows. No problem. We've got another trick up our sleeves. Stock footage. We're talking nature shots, business scenes, technology footage, travel montages. You name it, they've got it. Just find the clips that fit your vision, edit them together, add some epic music or a compelling voiceover, and boom! You've got yourself a professional-looking video without ever having to pick up a camera. Calling all music lovers, did you know you can make money on YouTube just by sharing your passion for music? That's right, you don't need to be the next Beyoncé or Drake to rake in the views. Lo-fi beats are huge right now. People love listening to chill, relaxing music while they study, work, or just unwind. Create your own lo-fi tracks, upload them to YouTube, and watch the views and the money roll in. And if you're really good at sound design or mixing, you can even create your own original music and sell it on platforms like Bandcamp or SoundCloud. Alright, let's be real. Not everyone wants to create original content from scratch. And guess what? You don't have to. Compilation videos are a fantastic way to make money on YouTube without showing your face. Think about all those hilarious fail videos, adorable pet moments, and mind-blowing talent shows you've seen online. Just make sure you have permission to use the clips or are using royalty-free content. Edit those clips together, add some catchy music and sound effects, and boom! You've got yourself a viral sensation. Alright, so you've created some awesome faceless content. Now it's time to talk about the big bucks, monetization. The most common way YouTubers make money is through YouTube AdSense. Basically, YouTube puts ads on your videos, and you get paid based on how many people watch those ads. The more views you get, the more money you make. But wait, there's more. You can also make bank through affiliate marketing. And if your channel really takes off, you might even land some sweet sponsorship deals. Outro, you got this. So there you have it. You can definitely make money on YouTube without showing your face. Whether you use voiceovers with animations, screen recordings, slideshows, stock footage, music, or curated content, there are plenty of ways to succeed. The most important thing is to pick something you enjoy, stay consistent, and keep experimenting until you find what works best for your audience. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your YouTube journey.